IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you make friends easily? Band 5. Answer.
I think I make friends quite easily because I talk to people and try to be friendly. Sometimes I feel shy at first, but after some time I can get comfortable.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, some hesitation, limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, repetition of common words. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, few structures. Pronunciation, generally clear but not very expressive. Typical of a Band 5, meaning is clear, but language is basic and safe. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I'd say I make friends fairly easily, especially in relaxed environments like work or social events. I'm quite open-minded, which helps me connect with different kinds of people.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth delivery with logical extension. Lexical resource. Good range with natural collocations. Grammar. Mix of simple and complex sentences. Pronunciation. Clear, natural stress and rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5. Confident, flexible language with minor imperfections. Band 9 Answer.
I generally find it easy to make friends because I'm genuinely curious about people and enjoy meaningful conversations. That said, I value quality over quantity, so I'm selective about who I become close to.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, well-paced, and nuanced. Lexical resource, precise, natural, and idiomatic vocabulary. Grammar, accurate, varied, and sophisticated structures. Pronunciation, fully natural and engaging. Typical of a Band 9. Sounds like a thoughtful human, not a memorized script. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.